Have you ever wondered what it takes to become a computer game developer? It's a world brimming with excitement, challenges, and the satisfaction of creating something truly unique. Game development is more than just writing lines of code. It's about weaving together narratives, designing immersive worlds, and creating memorable characters that resonate with players. Becoming a game developer is a journey that requires a blend of technical prowess and unbridled creativity. It's about understanding the art of storytelling as much as it is about mastering the intricacies of programming languages. It's about being able to visualize a world in your mind and then using your skills to bring that world to life for others to explore and enjoy. In this video, we'll provide a comprehensive, step-by-step roadmap to becoming a game developer. We'll cover everything from the foundational education and skills you'll need to building a portfolio and even the importance of networking within the industry. So, are you ready to embark on this exciting journey? Let's dive into the steps to becoming a game developer. The first step in your journey is to acquire the necessary education and skills. A strong foundation in computer science is vital to understanding the complex algorithms and data structures that underpin game development. Many aspiring game developers pursue degrees in software engineering, computer science, or game design. These courses offer the theoretical knowledge you'll need to navigate the industry. Equally important is fluency in coding languages. Languages like C++, Java, and Python are the building blocks of many popular games. Mastery of these languages will enable you to create, modify, and troubleshoot your game's code. But don't forget about practical experience. Internships or entry-level jobs in the gaming industry can provide invaluable insights into the practical aspects of game development. You'll learn how to apply your theoretical knowledge to real-world scenarios, honing your skills and deepening your understanding of the industry. Remember, the key to success in this field is a combination of solid education and practical experience. Once you have the necessary education and skills, it's time to showcase them through a portfolio. This portfolio is your proof of concept, your tangible testament to your game development prowess. It's your opportunity to show potential employers not just what you know, but what you can do. You might consider creating your own game from scratch, a project that demonstrates your ability to design, program, and troubleshoot. Alternatively, contributing to open-source projects can give you valuable experience and tangible proof of your collaborative skills. And remember, versatility is key. Include a variety of work in your portfolio. Show that you can create a gripping storyline, design breathtaking graphics, or code complex game mechanics. Each piece in your portfolio should showcase a different skill or aspect of your talent. The more diverse and comprehensive your portfolio, the more attractive you'll be to potential employers. A strong portfolio can be your ticket to landing that dream job in game development. The final step in your journey is to continue learning and networking. In the world of tech, change is the only constant. With new advancements cropping up every day, staying relevant and updated is crucial. This is where continuing education comes into play. Consider taking additional courses or attending workshops to keep your skills sharp and up to date. But it's not all about hitting the books. The power of networking cannot be overstated. In the game development industry, who you know can sometimes be as important as what you know. Engage with fellow developers on social media, join gaming forums, and participate in online communities. These platforms provide invaluable opportunities to learn from others and share your own insights. Also, don't forget about gaming conferences and industry events. These gatherings are fantastic venues for making connections, exchanging ideas, and gaining exposure to the latest trends and technologies. Remember, becoming a game developer is not a destination, but a journey of continuous learning and growth. To sum up, becoming a game developer is an exciting journey that requires a mix of education, experience, creativity, and continuous learning. Let's revisit our steps. First, acquire the necessary education and skills. Next, build a robust portfolio that showcases your talents. Then continue learning and growing in your field while networking with like-minded individuals. This path may be challenging, but it's also rewarding. Now that you know the roadmap, it's time to start your journey. Good luck on your adventure in game development.